So we've got this very interesting problem today. We've got the equation a minus b equals to 5 square root of ab, and we wish to compute a over b. Now, the first step to doing that is to get rid of the square root on the right hand side. So to do that, we square both sides of the equation and we get a minus b whole squared equals to 25ab. Then we expand the left hand side and we get a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, which is of course equal to 25ab. And we move the 25ab across to the left hand side and we get the equation a squared minus 27ab plus b squared equals to 0. Now we can divide both sides by ab and we end up with a over b minus 27 plus b over a equals to 0. Remember that we wish to compute the value of a over b, so we can denote that by x, and we can rewrite the equation as x minus 27 plus 1 over x equals to 0. Then we can multiply both sides by x, and we get the quadratic x squared minus 27x plus 1. And then we can use the quadratic formula with a equals to 1, b equals to minus 27, and c equals to plus 1. And we end up with 27 over 2 plus minus square root of 725 over 2. And we can tidy up to get x equals to 27 over 2 plus minus 5 square root of 29 over 2, which is of course the answer. If you found the content useful, then please support the channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.